In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list property on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Become a Host. This is where Airbnb walks you through the process of creating a new property listing from start to finish. After that, select Start Your Listing to begin entering your property details. The first thing you'll choose is your property type. Airbnb usually gives you options such as a house, apartment, or private room. Make sure you pick the option that best matches the space you're offering, because this helps set accurate expectations for potential guests and makes your listing easier to find in search results. Next, enter your property's address and confirm the location on the map. This step is important because it helps guests understand where the property is located and ensures your listing appears in the right area. Be sure to double check the map placement before moving on, especially if the pin needs any adjustment. After that, add the main details about your property. You'll want to include how many guests the space can accommodate, along with the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. You can also add available amenities such as Wi-Fi, parking, kitchen access, air conditioning, or anything else your property includes. The more accurate and complete this section is, the easier it is for guests to decide if your space fits their needs. Once the details are filled in, upload high-quality photos that show off your property clearly. Try to use bright, clean images that capture each main area of the space. Good photos can make a big difference, since they often create the first impression for potential guests browsing listings. From there, set your nightly price, choose your availability, and add your house rules. Pricing should reflect your property and the local market, while your availability should match the dates you're actually able to host. Your house rules help guests understand what's allowed before they book, which can prevent confusion later. Before you publish, take a moment to review all of your listing information carefully. Check that the address, property details, amenities, photos, pricing, and rules are all correct and clearly presented. This final review helps you catch mistakes and makes your listing look more polished and professional. When everything looks good, click or tap Publish. Once you do that, your property will go live on Airbnb and become available for bookings.